Hi students, now I am going to teach 12th standard Physics Volume 1 Lesson 1 Electrostatic Potential Energy of a Dipole in Uniform Electric Field. So already I thought electric dipole moment, uniform electric field. So again I recall the term electric dipole moment, uniform electric field. So what is dipole? Two equal and opposite charge separated by small distance constitute electric dipole. What is uniform electric field? Electric field, same magnitude, travels in same direction, is called uniform electric field. So here electrostatic potential energy of a dipole in uniform electric field. What is potential energy? The charge is moving from infinity to one point. So work is done. This work done stored as electrostatic potential energy of a system. So here a dipole A, B, at A minus Q charge, at B plus Q charge, O midpoint. So this dipole placed in uniform electric field E. So experiences torque. A dipole placed in uniform electric field experiences torque tau. This torque rotate the dipole, align the dipole in the direction of electric field E. To rotate dipole against the torque exerted by the electric field, to apply an equal and opposite torque on the dipole. So the work done by the external torque to rotate the dipole from angle theta prime to theta at constant angular velocity. So angular velocity means omega. The dipole rotate in uniform electric field with angular velocity omega. So total work done exerted by the torque rotate the dipole from angle theta prime to theta at constant angular velocity omega equal to integral theta prime to theta tau external d theta. The tau external is equal and opposite to tau e equal to P cross E. So already I discussed about torque. Torque tau equal to P sin theta. Then vector form tau vector equal to P cross E. So modulus of tau external is equal to modulus of tau E equal to modulus of P cross E. A dipole experienced torque when dipole kept in uniform electric field. The torque tau is equal to Pe sin theta. This equation 1. The work done by the external torque to rotate dipole from an angle theta prime to theta at constant angular velocity omega, tau equal to integral theta prime to theta tau external d theta. Substitute equation 1 in equation 2. W equal to integral theta prime to theta P sin theta d theta. So here Pe theta is a constant term, is not integrate. So taking outside the integration, integral theta prime to theta sin theta d theta. So W equal to Pe minus cos theta, theta to theta prime. Substitute upper limit, then lower limit. So Pe minus cos theta minus of minus cos theta prime. So minus PE cos theta plus PE cos theta prime. So this is work done. W equal to minus PE cos theta plus PE cos theta prime. W equal to minus PE cos theta plus PE cos theta prime. This is work done is equal to potential energy difference between the angular position theta and theta prime. So u of theta minus u of theta prime equal to minus PE cos theta plus PE cos theta prime. Now theta prime is considered as a reference point. So theta equal to 90 degree, cos 90 equal to 0. Substitute this value in that above equation. You obtained u of theta prime equal to 0. So finally the potential difference, the potential energy stored in the system of dipole kept in uniform electric field u of theta or uv equal to minus PE cos theta. Potential energy is maximum. The dipole kept in uniform electric field and opposite to the direction of electric field, as theta equal to 90 degree, uv equal to PE, because cos 180 degree equal to minus 1. Potential energy is minimum. The dipole is placed in electric field parallel to the direction of E, that is theta equal to 0 degree, uv equal to minus PE. Potential energy is minimum. So finally the potential energy depends not only P and E, it also depends orientation of the electric dipole with respect to the external electric field. Orientation means position. The dipole placed electric field position depends. So this is electric potential energy stored in the system of dipole placed in uniform electric field E.